Well. This is the Helwig 9th edition for you to study for your exam if you're doing the multiple choice mixed questions. So these are the 14 areas discovered for the NCE, and they're mixed up, as said earlier. So this will be a good one to use if you are done studying and you went through all these subjects, and you can use this as like test yourself and see where you are with your knowledge after you've already studied all those 14 areas. So this will be a good one to use. This code, because only one code, is good until January the 31st. So as you can see here is the code here for 5765734. You'll put this into the join game access code area when you see pop up as you log in, which is a free account, and you go from there. So if you have not subscribed, please do so. The more you subscribe, the more people I can reach out to and help. So happy studying and Happy New Year.